single line multiplication. What if the numbers we want to multiply do not match any of the special sutras we have seen so far? We would really like a general method that works for any number. Urdhvatiryagbhyam is a general method of multiplication which works for all numbers, requires only a single line, and can be performed mentally. Here's an example without any explanation. Let's see if you can figure it out. Thus 12 times 34 is 408. How do we do this? The sutra for this is Urdhvatiryagbhyam, which means by straight and across. This method is based on a group of patterns. Each pattern of straight and across lines gives us some pairs of numbers. Each one of those pairs is multiplied and the answers are added. One digit of this partial product, the last digit, becomes a digit of the answer. Extra digits become carries into the next digit and are added to the next partial product. All of this can be done mentally. Let's look at the pattern of multiplication for 2 digits. The first pattern is a straight line multiplying the last 2 digits. The second pattern multiplies across, and the last pattern multiplies the first 2 digits. A few 2-digit examples should make things clearer. "12 times 24, the first partial product is 4 times 2, which is 8. We retain 8 as a digit of the answer. The second partial product is cross multiplication, 4 times 1 plus 2 times 2, which is 8. We retain 8 as a digit of the answer. And the final partial product is 2 times 1, which is 2. We retain 2 as the rest of the answer. And so our final answer is 288. 34 times 57. The first partial product is 28, 7 times 4. We retain 8 as a digit of the answer. 2 becomes the next carry, and so we write it below and to the left. The second pattern is a cross multiplication, so our second partial product is 7 times 3 plus 5 times 4, which is 41. We add 2 to get 43, retain 3 as a digit, and carry 4. The third partial product is 3 times 5. We add the previous carry, and we retain 19 as the rest of the answer. What are multiplication patterns for 3 digits like? The first pattern is a multiplication of the last digits. The second is a cross multiplication of the final 2 digits. The third is a cross multiplication of the extreme digits. The fourth is a cross multiplication of the first 2 digits. And the last is a multiplication of the first digits. 3-digit examples. 123 times 456. The first partial product is 3 times 6. We retain 8 as a digit of the answer, and 1 becomes the next carry. The second partial product is 5 times 3 plus 2 times 6, which is 27, add the previous carry, and we retain 8, and 2 becomes the next carry. The third partial product is 5 times 2 plus 6 times 1 plus 4 times 3, which is 28. We add 2, the previous carry, and retain 0 as a digit of the answer, and carry 3. The fourth partial product is 5 plus 8, which is 13, adding the previous carry 16, and we retain 6, and 1 becomes the next carry. The final partial product is 4 times 1 plus 1, the previous carry, and we retain 5 as the rest of the answer. So our final answer is 56,088. Another example, 534 times 645. The first partial product is 5 times 4, 20. We retain 0, carry 2. The second partial product is 5 times 3 plus 4 times 4, which is 31. Adding the previous carry, we retain 3 as a digit of the answer, and 3 becomes the next carry. The third partial product is 61. Adding the previous carry, we retain 4 as a digit of the answer, and 6 becomes the next carry. The next partial product is 5 times 4 plus 6 times 3, 38. Adding the previous carry, we get 44. As expected, we retain 4, and 4 becomes the next carry. And the final partial product is 30. We add 4 and get 34, which we retain as the rest of the answer. So our final answer is 344,430. As you begin practicing this method, you can write out each partial product if you like, but with practice, you should be able to calculate partial products mentally. Once you're comfortable calculating partial products mentally, you should aim to write down just the answer digits, note the carries below and to the left, and this means you can do multiplication mentally and in a single line. Remember to check your answers using the digit sound technique. This will give you confidence to multiply mentally.